Hey guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday, so I'm gonna show you what I got this week at Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm gonna show you are these cool pops. So these boxes each come with 20 freezer pops. This one is the tropical kind. Here are the flavors. These, I guess, are just the classic ones. Can't go wrong with these on a nice warm day. Next, I'm gonna show you this container that I found. It is a mask container. So unfortunately, we are in the middle of a pandemic and masks have become a part of our daily lives. You can now have a container to store your mask or masks in your car, in your purse. You can have a bunch of the disposable kind and then keep them nice and clean if you want to pass them out to people. I personally am not intending on using this for my mask. I just thought it was a really nice, like sturdy, thick plastic case. So I actually intend on using this for storage for some jewelry. I want to put away some nice necklaces in here. So I intend on using this on my vanity for jewelry. This is a really good option. You can buy a few and stack them up nicely. They're really thin and sleek. Honestly, containers you can use for anything. This is labeled as a mask container, but obviously you can use it for anything. So next thing I'm going to show you are these really cool tattoos. These are mermaid tattoos. I don't know why I would need these or when I would use them, but I just thought they were cool. You see how they look? You can just put little scales on your body. Why? I thought that was cool. I figured this would be cute for a makeup look, maybe like on as a highlight or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see what I use these for, but they are some adorable mermaid tattoos. The next thing that I found were these fun little bracelets. They're all different. This is a cupcake, this is a cotton candy, a lollipop, and an ice cream cone. So I'm hoping that they're sturdy enough to put keys. I want to use it as a lanyard for my keys. So I'm hoping that they're sturdy enough to withstand a couple of keys. But either way, I thought they were like really cute little charm bracelets. Next thing I found was in the school supply section, and I just thought these were so cool. These are erasers. It's 6 pizza slice erasers. How fun is that? I love pizza and I just think that erasers, so cool. Next thing I got was this fan. So they had different colors, but purple is obviously my favorite color, so I just had to get this really pretty purple. It says here that it requires 2 AA batteries in the back. These are really nice to keep on your vanity while you're doing makeup or on a computer desk while you're working. And it's a really good size and it's very lightweight. The next thing I'm gonna show you is this Dove Nourishing Body Cream. So in a previous haul of mine, I found the dark blue container. I had heard that this pink container one was good too. So when I saw it, I just had to get it. I never have too much hand cream, especially with the type of work that I do. I work with a lot of paperwork and my hands tend to get really dry. So a hand cream is always necessary. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Mask. I only found one. I had seen these circulating on other people's YouTube Dollar Tree hauls and I was on the hunt. So I was so excited that I at least found one. It's only a single-use mask, so hopefully this one mask does the trick. Next, I got this pack of 5 hair ties by Gimmie. I just thought that they were really nice and I really liked that the elastic was a comfortable looking elastic. I really don't like ones that pull at my hair. I tend to not wear my hair up too often because I don't like my hair being pulled. So these seemed pretty gentle. So I can't wait to see how these work with my hair. And they also just look really pretty. So I am going to give these a try. The next thing that I got are these Sassy and Chic press-on nails. I really like the look of these. I had never seen this style at Dollar Tree before. They usually have the squared Sassy and Chic press-ons. So I was really excited to find something in a different shape, and I love press-on nails. The next items I'm gonna show you are all makeup. I found some more Flower by Drew Barrymore. Now, I've said this before, Flower is really hard to find at Dollar Tree, so when I find it, I always get excited. I found another eyeshadow chubby stick. So the color is Dark Side of the Blue, and it's this really pretty navy color. Let's open it up and give it a swatch. I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's one swatch, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. It is a nice dark navy blue. I think this is gonna be really nice for a smoky eye. The last items I'm gonna show you are by Wet n Wild. I found a Mega Last metallic lip gloss. This is such a pretty color. It kind of has a peachy coral to it, but it's metallic. So I thought it was really pretty. Let's give it a swatch. Look at that beautiful color. It is really pretty. I really like that. And the last makeup items I'm gonna show you are these Color Icon blushes by Wet n Wild. How pretty are these? This one is in the color Fantastic Plastic Pink. This one is Pearlescent Pink. Do you see how pretty they look? They're very shimmery and pigmented. So that is all for today's Budget Babe video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Dollar Tree haul. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are my Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye.